So next comment is, I picked up the FlexiClick for around $100. That's Bosch. I already had an OMT, but the $50 more, it might be worth snagging both. I don't know. Oh, the multi-tool. I got it. Because this was the Bosch FlexiClick, which is this guy right here, which has the heads that come off. You can change. For example, here's another one, the offset head. For if you had to drill a screw in right close to like the top of a cabinet or something, then you can get really close with that. I love this. That's why I put it up here. Not for this comment, actually, but because I love this drill. And we had a big discussion when the video came out about whether you use it like this or would you put the little piece that goes on it with the collet, locking collet. I leave it like this now because it's really short, and I don't know. I don't think that's the right way to do it, but that's what I do because it's shorter. So this guy goes on to say, I have both the M12 installation driver and the Bosch. I prefer the Bosch, but if you put a gun to my head, I'd make the Milwaukee work. But, you know, most of the time when you're choosing these type tools, they don't have guns to your head. So the Bosch is fine. There's Milwaukee people that are crazy out there, so maybe they do have guns. I like this Bosch thing, though. I use it in the shop all the time. But then again, I use Hyper Tough, too, so I don't know what I'm doing, obviously. Time for some fast-paced action as we're going to drive in 10 of these screws with each drill side by side to see which one is the fastest. 3, 2, 1... So the Bosch and the Milwaukee are neck and neck, really, and the Hyper Tough comes up last. So even though it has more torque, that's in low speed, not high speed, where you're driving these screws.